So following that same process, we could go out and continue to clip out the remaining survey units in the site or in the analysis. And as we do that, you see that they appear in this list over here on the left. What we have to do next, after we've gone through and delineated the overall site, would be go in and rename these. So this one right here is our building. And so this is going to be building 2, so we can go up into the properties and call this building 2, save. That allows us to rename it. You see it show up over here. This is the remaining area outside. And what we can then do is go up here to where it says survey form. You can click on that, and then we have a bunch of drop downs here. And this is the overall survey that we fill out for each of these different survey units. In this case, we'd go down through and we'd enter, okay, this is a developed or managed area. This is developed, it's a building. And then from the developed or managed drop down here, we can choose that it's a building or structure. We're going to go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the data entry for this survey unit, but the overall questions are relatively self-explanatory and broken up into groups associated with habitat type, which we just saw, vegetation attributes about vegetative structure and cover, surface conditions such as topography and different sediment compositions, and then visual and noise screening characteristics. So now that we've gone through all that, you can see over here that we've updated to 100% complete, and we can hit close here, and you can see that that survey unit is 100% complete. If we wanted to, we could take that survey unit here, we can click on it, we can open up and we can copy the survey answers for that survey unit. We can click on the other building here and we could paste survey answers for that. Now we've pasted those answers here, and you can see that the second building has been filled out. The full additional area, we're going to go ahead and paste in there as well. Paste. And then we can go into that and we can make some edits. So instead of that, say this is a, we're going to say it's developed or managed, but we're going to say that it is a landscaped area. Our vegetation attributes now are mostly going to be grass. Again, here we're going to fast forward through the data entry process. However, what we're doing here is going through and adding in the correct attributes for this altered version of this survey unit. So we go through and we'll make changes to the vegetative cover, we'll make changes to the topography and the soil characteristics. So you could follow this process, and we just kind of mocked this up, but you could follow this process to go in and create buildings, create virtually any other land cover type you wanted, and really define your site.